Do you ever find yourself scrolling through a large Excel worksheet and losing sight of the column headings? In this video, I'll show you several ways to freeze rows and columns so you can always keep your data in view. Let's say we have a worksheet with several hundred rows. As I scroll down, I can no longer see the column headings. I go to View, then Freeze Panes, and select Freeze Top Row. Now, no matter how far I scroll, the top row always stays visible. If I want to unfreeze the rows, I go to View, Freeze Panes, and Unfreeze Panes. It's important to note that if you want to freeze the top row, it needs to be visible. So you should scroll all the way to the top first. Otherwise, the row that's currently at the top will be frozen. Now I want to keep the employee IDs visible while moving across a large number of columns. Again, I go to View, Freeze Panes, and Freeze First Column. Now the first column stays locked in place while I scroll horizontally. For this example, I'll create a header that consists of 2 rows. If I want the first 2 rows to remain visible, I need to select the first row below them, so I click the third row. Then I go to View, Freeze Panes, and Freeze Panes. Now the first 2 rows remain visible at all times. You can freeze multiple columns the same way. If I want the first 3 columns to stay frozen, I select the 4th column. Then I go to View, Freeze Panes, and Freeze Panes. Now the first 3 columns stay in place. This is an option that's used quite often. Let's say I want the first row and the first column to remain visible. I click cell B2 because Excel freezes everything above and to the left of the selected cell. Then I go to View, Freeze Panes, and Freeze Panes. Now I can scroll both vertically and horizontally while keeping the column headings and key columns visible at all times.